I made a promise when I went through depression when I was really, really, really bad. And I said to God, God, if you can help me get through this, then I'll try to help other people to get through.
Depression, to me, from my experience of caring for someone, is that it's a strong feeling that life is overwhelming, that people can feel helpless within their own body and within their own life, can feel really lonely, that no one understands what they're going through, even the people really close to them.
I think my experience with depression really started in my early years of high school. I remember actually just having periods where I lacked motivation and felt down, and I didn't quite understand what that was exactly.
I lost all my interest with life, with people, with my family. It was as if I was slowly sliding down the hill. I tried to focus a lot on my baby, my daughter. But as the days went past, it was like the darkness was starting to creep in. And eventually I just got to a point where I didn't want to get out of bed.
Basically, you're just incapable of living a normal life. You know, everything's a real effort. You're not sleeping properly, you're not eating properly, you're crying all the time, your mind's in turmoil.
I'm going through depression. Seeking help is like you realise when you actually get the help how important it is. It took me a while.
One of the best things that helped me out of all of that was meeting people who'd been through it and finding out that I wasn't alone. I wasn't the only person that had gone through this.
So particularly now with coronavirus and the aftermath of that, and taking some of the lessons from this period of isolation and lockdown, some of the things that I've learnt is just how important it is to keep a routine. I think that's huge.
My advice would be, don't be afraid. Come out of your shell and speak up, because there is help out there.
I'm at a place right now where I'm happy with who I am. I'm finally chasing my dreams because I'm being true to myself and I'm not letting anyone hold me back. Neither should you.